Here's a simple tip you can use to exhale a lot more slowly. And with this tip, you can easily exhale for 8 seconds, 10 seconds, or even 12 seconds. And so the longer that you exhale and the more smoothly that you exhale, the more relaxed you're going to get from these breathing exercises. Okay, and so an easy way to extend your exhale is to pretend like you're gently blowing out a candle. And when you do it, you want to pretend, or you want to blow so gently that it wouldn't even blow out the candle, so that you would see the candle moving from the force of your air, but it's not strong enough to even blow it out. So give it a quick try now. Just inhale gently through your nose, and then exhale through your mouth like you're gently blowing out a candle. And exhale so gently that it wouldn't even blow out the candle. If you like quick videos like this with simple tips, then let me know that by clicking like and then also clicking that subscribe button. And if you've got any questions, make sure to leave a comment. And just remember, when you're trying to exhale more slowly, to pretend like you're gently blowing out a candle, and to blow so gently that it wouldn't even blow out the candle. All right, don't forget to click subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.